This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by William Cornelis. This 3-bedroom 2-bath sets in a lovely subdivision just minutes from town. Main floor laundry. Enjoy those cold nights with the fire and the wood-burning stove in the spacious living room. Cedar siding was stained in 2008 and a new roof in 2007. You will find lots of privacy and quiet with this home. A rear deck and patio overlook the wooded backyard with shed. Water is included with the $100 monthly association fee. Property is being sold in as-is condition. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cornelis at 309-764-7413.